Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 1. I would like to present for the assignment 2, code subject BEJ44103, Intelligent Control System. My name is Ahmad Rizal Amri bin Muhammad Yusof, DE100096. My group member Muhammad Arif Aiman bin Muhammad Yusof, CE200115. And the last one is Muhammad Danish Aden bin Lokman, CE190242. Okay, for the introduction for this assignment, high performance DC motor drivers have a wide range of use in area including rolling mills, chemical processing, electric trains, robotic manipulation, and household appliances thanks to recent advances in science and technology. They call for a controller to carry out duty. So, using MATLAB, a fuzzy-based DC motor control system was created. Almost all business and homes employ a motor in their machinery or appliance. Many motion control systems now need the use of motors that are frequently controlled by computer. It cannot be done. Computer only comprehend the value 0 or 1 and high or low. All a machine can process what are refers to as script or classic data. But in order to respond to the query, we need a certain fuzzy logic method.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Nishad bin Lokman and my metric number is CE190242. So for my part, I will explain about the demonstration of the how to design the fuzzy logic control system to control the DC motor speed. So first of all, to design the fuzzy, which is this one, we need to type the fuzzy. In fact, that we need to install the add on the fuzzy library. So okay, after this one have been appear, so let's jump to the one that I have been made. No, so this one. So the input of the system is the speed, which as we can see here is I have been set it to speed, and for the output is voltage. So okay, so to set all the range and parameter is we need to double click on this on the input icon, and then click this one, which is the speed, and then as have been mentioned in the assignment instruction, that the maximum of the RPM is 120. So this is the range that I've been insert, and also the voltage. The maximum of the voltage is 100. So to insert the rules, we need to close this one, type the fuzzy the controller. Okay, as we can see, this is all the rules that I have been insert. So we just need to click this one, and then just click the add rule, like I have been insert. So settle for the fuzzy logic control system. So for the circuit, this is the step function. I've been set up this for 120 for the final value, and also this one, wait a second. Okay, this one, there's some mistake. Okay, apply. Okay, and this is the fuzzy logic control. So you can see the FIS name is the file name that I have been saved for this fuzzy logic system. So you can see fuzzy ICS. So just apply and then OK. So you can see, so this is the transfer function that we have been used because of the instruction that have been given, and there is two scope. So we just need to run it, and while waiting for the system to compile, let me show on how does the fuzzy logic system work. So as we can see, this is the speed part, and this is the voltage part. So as we can see, if the speed is in speed is in low uh, low low speed, low velocity, so the voltage will be increased. And if the in mid, so the voltage will consistent on the same value. But if the speed is high, the voltage will be decreased to make sure that the uh, motor does not broke. So as we can see, the has been complete, and then we double click on the graph, and this is the second graph. So this both is the graph. So wait a second, need to make sure. Okay, so this graph tell us that uh, the waveform or the graph of the before it went into the fuzzy control system, and this one show us this scope. This scope show us that the graph of the system after have been applied with fuzzy logic. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Aiman bin Muhammad Yusuf, and my metric number is CE200 and 115. And today I will present about the conclusion of this assignment. Okay, from this assignment, we can conclude that fuzzy logic, or FL, is a reasoning technique that resembles logical cognition. FL imitates the manner in which humans make decisions, which is involve intermediate possibilities between digital values, which is yes and no. Second, fuzzy logic attempts to solve problem using open, imprecise spectrum of data and heuristic that enables a variety of accurate conclusions to be reached. And lastly, motor control will utilize FL controllers to improve the step response parameter. So the parameter is rising times, overshoot, steady state error, and also the settling times in this assignment. Okay, this is all from me. Thank you.